recording my mother's dog and my dog, and they do not like to be recorded, so I'm gonna prank them. And they don't know I have my camera hid behind my table, so let's see if they find it. They find the tripod and the camera. Let's go.
Hey guys, come in. Look what I got. I got Joey. Rufus. Chili. Where's Chili? Where's Chili? Come on. Oh. Did you drop that under there? Right?
Rufus almost found my camera.
Oh. Hey, stop fighting! Just come on here, Ruru. You're gonna put it all the time. Get Rufus. Hey, Ruru. Actually, I set a camera. I set a camera and a tripod. So it's recording. I want to see. And I want to see if she'll get it. I just noticed the camera. She probably won't get down. Well, they do like go back there sometimes. Hey guys, so like, guys, they can be here. Yeah. Love you, real. Let's see. Oh, you want some water? See, look at the camera. See, that's the thing. Yeah, I'll show you. You want to go down? Trick.
Right now I'm giving them a treat.
Sit. Down. 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 Up. Sit. I sit up. 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 Down. Up. Down. Up.
Can you get Charlie to do that?
Up. Down. Go. Give her the turn. Down. Lay down. He doesn't know how to lay down yet. Down. Down. Up. I'm trying to distract them. Okay, go get some more chili. Go get some.
I'm gonna put it somewhere else. Actually do this. Get my thing situated because it hasn't been working really well. Oh, did you see that right there?
Here's some. Just some. here. Come here. Come here. Rufus, come on. I think Rufus found it. Come on now. Come on, Rufus. Is that a camera? No, it's not. Okay, come here. Come here, Rufus. Come here, Rufus. Here. Rufus. Here. Okay, Rufus. Sit down. Here. Running on your cell phone. Running on your cell. Don't look, don't look. Come here, come here, come here. Riding on your cell phone. Riding on your cell phone. Riding on your cell phone. I just want to your cell phone. You said to eat all of you. I can pull. Bye. A different one? Hold up. Come here. Oh, you want the different, you want two different, you want the hard bacon. So I'll just show you that one now. And this one. And this is the thick one or the thin one? Down. That's you supposed to be doing down. Up, sit, catch. Down, down. Send. Up, up, down. Come here. Sit. Four. 86. Elephant. Octopus. You train up. You train. Hey, chill. Sit. Ooh. Go. Here. Sit. Sit. No, sit. No, real. down to Rufus too much because that's how Rufus lays. Down, down, down. Okay? And I was saying down to Rufus too much, so now she sits when I say down. So if you want her to sit, say down. And I'm gonna
She sits when I say sit.
well, she's saying down. But now sit. Okay, well, you can either say sit or down. Well, down. You can either say sit or down. Fist on a tree. Sit. Okay, Rudy, sit. Sit. Up. No. Oh, you little. Sit.
Oh,
Up.
yes.
Up.
She hurt me. She didn't
Up.
put dishes in the dishwasher.
Up. 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 Down. Up.
Hey, Mimi.
Up.
Hi there.
Up.
Maddox, you should drink the rest of that juice. Maddox, just put your glass in the dishwasher.
I didn't want to have those.
How was the day?
Perfect.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Maddox, how'd you make it to school?
Down.
Huh?
Down.
So that's Maddox, how you made it to school? How'd you make it to school?
Good.
Yeah? That's good. What'd you do?
We.
Eh.
What did we do?
Did you wear that like that all day?
Yeah.
No?
I switched it like in the middle.
What made you decide to wear Carl Anthony Towns?
I wanted to wear something different.
Ah.
I gotta go to Canadian Tire and we have a drop of oil left in my vehicle.
Oh, Jesus.
Yeah. I just thought I should check the oil.
When's the last time you had service? A while ago? You're way over.
It
Rufus
doesn't
found it.
say I am, but the